Hi, my name is Cheryl Paulson, the founder of Direct Response Marketing Institute, and I just want to share a few words about my friend Jim Alvino. I've been a client of Jim's for nearly 3 years now, and I remember that moment 3 years ago when I was starting my first business and I knew that I needed a business coach. That wasn't the question. The question to me was, how the heck do I engage a business coach, and what are these one days that Jim offers? In the end, I chose the package that had the one day, and I never looked back. On that day, we mapped out my entire business plan for the year. We mapped out my exit strategy and where I was going to be able to bring in additional revenue streams as I grew. 18 months later, I sold that business and I was able to find the buyer through Jim's network. I'm subsequently continued to work with Jim, had more one days, because I knew that's exactly how I wanted to start my next business. We have mapped out product launches. We have found and built additional revenue streams. We have practically mapped out the books for my business. It's incredible what can happen when you sit down together and you just brainstorm together about what you want to accomplish. I absolutely would never do anything differently, and I'm so glad I went with my gut that time 3 years ago. So I urge you to make that leap, that journey that I did, and you will never regret it as well. I cannot wait to hear about the success that you have. Thank you.